All right, if you're looking at engineering colleges around Kanchipuram for the 2026 admissions, then this one's for you. We're talking about JEI Mathaajee College of Engineering, and right off the bat, its TNEA Code is 123.5. So what's the first thing you need to know? Well, it was established back in 2008, and importantly, it's an ANA University-affiliated college. Now, for parents especially, that affiliation is a really big deal. It tells you a lot about the academic standards and the curriculum you can expect. Okay, let's get into the details. First up, we'll cover the college's identity and what it's all about. So here's what you need to know for your admission planning. JMCE is a self-financing engineering college, and it's run by the Rajaneshwari Educational and Charitable Trust. But here's the key part. Admissions are done through TNA counseling, the main state-level process. And there's a clear split. 65% of the seats are for the government quota, and the remaining 35% are for the management quota. Every college starts with a vision, right? This one was founded on a very clear mission. The founder, Kalva Kavalar B. Bose, believed there's an inextricable link between education and prosperity. It really gives you a strong sense of the guiding philosophy behind the institution. Now, this is something you absolutely need to see. The college has active approval from the AICTE, that's the All India Council for Technical Education, for the 2025-26 academic year. This isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a mandatory requirement. It basically confirms that the college meets national standards. Okay, so with the basics covered, let's talk about what you can actually study here. What engineering programs are on offer? So, how many seats are we talking about in total? For the upcoming admissions, there are 255 undergraduate engineering seats available across all the different branches. Let's break that down by branch. You'll see they have a pretty strong focus on some key areas. Computer science, civil and electrical and electronics engineering all have the highest intake with 60 seats each. Then you've got electronics and communication and mechanical, both with 30 seats. And finally, there's a smaller intake of 15 seats for information technology. All right, academics are one thing, but what's life like on campus? Let's take a look at the facilities. First off, the campus is pretty big. We're talking 40 acres. That's a good amount of space, not just for classes, but for everything else that happens outside the classroom. Okay, let's get into the practical stuff that every family wants to know. Yes, there are separate hostels for boys and for girls. When it comes to food, the mess serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian meals. If you're a day scholar, don't worry, college transport is available. And for travel, the nearest railway station is Kanchipuram. Now, let's talk about something really important. Financial aid. What scholarships can students get? So the college actually helps students apply for a whole bunch of government scholarships. This is a big help. We're talking about state-level scholarships for ST/ST, BC, MBC, and DNC students. There's also the First Graduate Scholarship, which is a huge deal for many families. And on top of that, they assist with central government scholarships for minority and OBC students. Just so you know, all the information we've shared today comes directly from the college's official website and other trusted government portals. And it's all based on the data available at the time we put this together. Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com. Your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.